You know, being a graphic designer doesn't make you creative. What makes you creative is your ability to bring beauty in simplicity. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you easy ways to create beautiful design in Photoshop. Let's get started. Alright guys, I'll be showing us how to make this design in Photoshop. Trust me, it will be very easy. The design is very fine and simple. So I'm going to be showing us how to make it using 3 simple tools, which is your move tool, your text tool, and your shape tool. Trust me, this will be nice. Let's get to it. Okay, you come to your file, you come to your new. Okay, for this design we'll be using class 1. Our width, we'll leave it at 1080, height 1080, resolution 300. Leave every setting the way it is. Now you click on your enter. Now this is your new document. Remember, like I said earlier, we'll be using 3 simple tools for this, which is your move tool, your text tool, and your shape tool. Now let's get to it. Now the first thing they wrote here is 3 things that terrifies a graphic designer. How do we achieve this? Now come to your document, you come to your text tool, click on your text tool. Now 3 things that terrifies a graphic designer. Alright, after typing it, you drop your tool. Always remember to drop your tool. Without dropping your tool in Photoshop, you can't move anything in Photoshop. Okay, now after doing that, you click on Ctrl T to transform it. Now you increase. You can use Ctrl T to increase or to reduce anything in Photoshop. Okay, after doing that, you increase it to how you want it to be. Click enter on your keyboard. Now you position it on where you want it to be. Okay, if you look at this design well, 3 things that terrifies a graphic designer. The 3 things that it's on red. A also it's on red. Now how do we get this? Now we'll come back to our document. You double click on it. After double clicking on it, you highlight the part you want to change the color, which is the 3 things that, these particular ones, right? You come to your properties. Under your properties, you locate your color, click on your color, select the shade you want. We'll be using red for this. Now you select the shade of red you want. After getting that, you click on OK. You do the same with A. Highlight the A, come under your properties, click on your color. You can either choose any color from this side, or you can use your color picker to pick the exact color you want. But for this image, you highlight your A, you come under your properties, under your color, click on it, use your color picker. This is your color picker. Use your color picker to pick the color. After doing that, click on OK. Now this is what we have. You drop your move tool. After dropping your move tool, let's go back and see the next thing they did. Now if you come to their design, you will see they have logo, image, their swipe icon here, their social media icon also, and their shape. Now the next thing we're bringing in is the logo. Now how do we bring it in? Go to your documents, locate the folder. Okay, now this is the logo. Drag and drop the logo. Okay, after getting that, it appears like this. Now you can either reduce or increase it, but for this video we'll be reducing it to how we want it to be. Okay, then make sure you place it well. Increase it a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now make sure you position it well. Yeah, this is perfect. Now let's go back and see the next thing they did. Now the next thing they did, they brought in their image. Now you go to your file, you click on the image. Now this image is without background. I downloaded this image from Freepik and I removed the background. If you want to learn more about how to remove background, you follow my YouTube channel for more tutorial. Okay, now you drag and drop the image. Yeah, this is the image. Now you reduce it exactly. Now position it to where you want it to be. Okay, this is perfect. Now you click enter on your keyboard. Let's see the next thing they did. Okay, now this icon, yeah, let's go back. This icon, I downloaded it from Pinterest and I also cleared the background. Now you reduce it to how you want it to be, position it, still reduce it a little bit. Perfect. Then click enter on your keyboard. Now the next thing we'll be doing is changing the color to red. How do we do that? You come to your layer, right click on it, come to blending option, click on it. You will see different options there, but you locate your color overlay. Click on your color overlay, you select or pick the shade of red you want. Right, you click on it, you click OK. Okay, perfect. Now the next thing we'll be doing is drawing a shape. They used the shape tool to draw a shape. That's very easy to do. Like I said, we'll be using 3 tools for this, which is our move tool, our text tool, and our shape tool. Now click on your shape tool. Now come to this location, to your fill, click on it, click on your color picker. Now pick red or black, but for this tutorial we'll be using red. Click on the red, click on OK. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Now after clicking on that, you draw your shape. Okay, that's perfect. Now you drop your tool, make sure you make it align. Perfect. Now bring it down a little. Okay, this is perfect. Now the next thing we'll be doing is importing their social media icon. Now come to your folder, the place it is, drag and drop it. Now you can choose to increase it or reduce it. Okay, but for this tutorial we'll be reducing it to fit to the shape. Okay, this is perfect. Click enter on your keyboard. Okay, now the next thing they did is they wrote follow us on. This is very easy to do, and we'll be using our text tool for this. Now locate your text tool, click on it. Now follow us on. Drop your tool, come under your properties, you see your color, click on it, select the color you want. For this we'll be using black. Click on your black, click on OK. Now you press Ctrl T to transform it. Now increase it. Now you can simply choose to change the font, but for this tutorial we'll be using this font. Position it how you want it to be. Click on it, reduce it a little bit. That's perfect. Position it, click enter on your keyboard. Now make sure it's well aligned. Now come to your text, Ctrl T it, increase it a little bit. This is perfect. Press enter on your keyboard. Now let's see what we have and what they have. This is what we have, this is what they have. Okay, for more updates like this and videos like this, follow me on my YouTube channel. Till next time.